Exposing the secret to endless science fun. Deeplearners.org is your key to unlocking it all. Welcome to Deeplearners.org, where science enthusiasts like you get to explore and learn without spending a dime. Whether you're curious about the mysteries of the universe or the tiny wonders of biology, we've got you covered. Our YouTube channel is packed with fascinating videos that break down complex topics into bite-sized, easy-to-understand pieces. Want to know how black holes work or why plants photosynthesize? We've got videos on all that and more. Plus, our website offers a treasure trove of free resources. From detailed articles to interactive quizzes, it's your one-stop shop for all things science. Perfect for students, teachers, or anyone with a passion for learning. So why wait? Subscribe to our YouTube channel now and visit Deeplearners.org to start your journey into the world of science. Knowledge is just a click away. Remember, it's all free at Deeplearners.org. See you there.